Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Every year I do a birthday video for my kids' parties and just to give you ideas and stuff in case you're looking for the same sort of party. So this year we did Cookie Monster. I did have some stuff with the various characters on it, but mainly it was a Cookie Monster theme. The banners in the background, along with the things in the center of the table and some other little decorations, I got in one big packet from Party City. So I will link everything below. A lot of the stuff you can be found on Amazon. So I always do this birthday statistic board. I just think that's super fun. And then I found this book at Target. Again, you could also find it on Amazon, but it's called Happy Birthday Elmo, and there's a story inside, but the front and back, you can also sign your name, leave a message for the kid, so it's really cute. I laid that out on the table so that the guests could sign it. Jackson had one for his Dr. Seuss birthday party, I believe it was. So just a fun little keepsake. And the things on the table, I don't know what to call them. They're just the Sesame Street characters on a stick. You can kind of use them as photo props and take pictures with them. And it pretty much comes with every character on Sesame Street. Zoe's in there, Oscar the Grouch. It says, "I love trash." Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So I had those in a little jar on the table. And the banners were really cute. There was also a couple small ones as well. I don't think I got pictures of those though, however. For the desserts, I made a bunch of homemade chocolate chip cookies, a Cookie Monster cake, and then the small blue things on the table, those are like Cookie Monster bark. I made a video for that, probably a year or two ago, and in which you just like break it up, but I decided to go ahead and put it in cupcake liners. I thought that made more sense, so they were bite-sized and you didn't have to crumble anything up. So I will link the video, the original video I did for that below. But the chocolate chip cookies, it's just a recipe on the back of the Nestle's bag. I made 2 batches, which made, according to Jackson, like 84 cookies, but great recipe. They were delicious. Plates and napkins from Target. They also have them at Party City and Amazon. And here's the cookie bark, I'm calling it. It's a bag of royal blue Wilton's candy melts. Just melted, added a very thin layer of it because you don't want too thick, into a cupcake liner. The candy eyeballs are from Target, they're Wilton brand, and then a mini Chips Ahoy cookie. And then you just push it in there, let it set up. I thought it was cute when you crumbled parts of the cookies to really make it look like Cookie Monster, so I started doing that later. Then here's the cake. So this is a 12-inch round cake. I always use a star tip. It's very forgiving, and it makes it look textured, and I thought it turned out really cool. Just need white icing, which I'll also put a recipe for below. Then I broke up a bunch of chocolate chips and put it on there. And then I had leftover Chips Ahoy, so I went around the cake as far as I could with those. And that's how that turned out. So I thought that was really, really cute. Just really easy. Tons of cookies. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. And the cake was delicious. I have an icing video. I used to do a lot more videos like this, little DIYs and cooking and stuff. So I definitely have a playlist of all of our past parties as well. So I make sure I link that below. And my son will be having a Harry Potter party in a couple weeks. So I will make sure I do some more in-depth videos for that so you can see how I made the cupcakes and stuff like that. But this one I thought was pretty simple, didn't really need one. So yeah. That's it. If you guys have any questions about anything in the video, please leave me a comment below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.